So the solution for anti-lock braking system application that we have been discussing from 2 videos earlier is to run all the tasks that is available right over here in the foreground threads and avoid the background threads, but not sequentially, but in a kind of a parallel manner with set time constraints. So this is the main thing. Just consider the main function or the main thread right over here as the task 1 and the pedal travel sensor thread as the task 2, brake fluid sensor thread as task 3 and the pressure sensor thread as task 4. In order to execute all the tasks to derive the right results within the time constraints, set time constraints, we are going to design a thread scheduler. This scheduler will somehow manage to run all the tasks in a parallel manner so that there will be no deviation between execution of task. That we will discuss in detail in the future videos. For now, understand this is the basics of RTOS systems, how task threads are executed in the RTOS systems, and I hope you understood what is busy wait approach, multi-threaded approach, and the advantages of RTOS approach over the busy wait and multi-threaded approach in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.